Hi friends, this is the activity video that goes along with the book From Seed to Plant. For this activity, you're going to need a piece of paper and something to write with and something to color with. When I read this book From Seed to Plant, I asked you to pay attention to the 4 different steps a seed takes to become a plant. For writing today, we're going to be writing about those 4 different steps. The first thing that you're going to want to do on your paper is write your name at the top. And then usually what we do next is we do the writing part, but today we're going to start with the picture because you're going to set your picture up to make a life cycle picture, and it's going to look a little bit different than anything we've done before. The first thing that you want to do in your picture space, you want to go ahead and you want to make 4 circles. You want to make your circles big enough that you can make a small picture inside, but not too big because you still want to save some space on your paper for the writing below. So there's 1 circle, 2 circles, 3 circles, 4 circles. After you have your 4 circles on your paper, you're going to draw arrows in a circle like this to show that the life cycle is moving from one step to another. Then, before you do your writing part, you're going to want to do your picture. Starting at the top, this is going to be step number 1. This is where you're going to be drawing a picture of the seed. Then you'll move to step number 2, where you're going to draw a picture of the seed with roots and a seed that's starting to germinate, a seed that's starting to sprout. In the 3rd circle, you're going to be drawing a picture of a seed that has roots. You're also going to want to show the shoot and the leaves in this 3rd picture. And then your last picture is going to show the whole plant with some flowers. Remember, those flowers are the thing that have seeds in them that starts the cycle over again. So you'll go seed, roots, shoot and leaves, and flowers. Once you have your picture complete, then you're going to be ready to start your writing. Today for your writing, you're going to be using a sentence frame, and you're going to be adding a lot of the writing on your own today. Because we're all writing the same thing, I'm not going to show an example that has the words to copy. I want you to work on the writing on your own. But the words that you're going to get are the sentence frame words today. For the writing part, you're going to start by using the word first. So you can copy first onto your paper. It's F-I-R-S-T. Then after the word first, you're going to want to draw a line. On this line, this is where you're going to be writing what happened in your first picture. What happens first? Then you're going to use the popcorn word then and draw another line. On this line, you're going to talk about what's happening in this 2nd picture, the one with the roots and the seeds starting to sprout. On your next line, you're going to use the word next and draw a line. Next is spelled N-E-X-T. And on that line, you're going to draw what's happening in the 3rd picture. And then we're going to use the word last and draw a line. Last is spelled L-A-S-T. And on this line, you're going to be writing what happens, I'm sorry, I pointed to the wrong one. What happens in your last picture, the one with the flowers, okay? So make sure you have each of the 4 steps, and then you're writing what happens in each of the 4 steps. If you would like to share a picture of your work with the teachers, we would love to give you a compliment.